Hi, my name is TLYC. I'm the crochet designer and educator behind TL Yarn Crafts, and this is my dream box. I really love my dream box. I feel like everything that I love around my business, all of my tools, my books, my yarn, it has a home now. The way that I had it set up before, it made sense. It was more aesthetically pleasing than functional though. I had things in all different parts of my room because that's where it made sense for them to be. But now that I have this beautiful space with all of these gorgeous clear boxes and these different shelves, and I was able to personalize exactly what that workflow looked like, I'm able to make something that truly makes sense for me. Having my dream box, I can be a little bit more intentional about what pieces I have within reach and what are kind of visual cues for me to start working with different projects. I also do love the adjustable table, so I can go from a standing environment to sitting. One of the things that I really appreciate about this dream box is that it can get so compact and it just looks like a gorgeous armoire in your space. But it also opens up a lot of the space in your room. So I can fold up my dream box, put away my whole business if I need to use this room for something else. It's not this invasive piece of furniture that is just static and can't move, which is really fantastic. That lightness and that feeling of like I can be more productive, I can get more done, just encouraged me to work harder, to be a little bit more focused. And I feel like, not only did this organize my space, but it truly kind of reorganized how I thought about how much work I could get done in my space.